So let me show in this video how I have made over $980 in one day with this one affiliate offer, right? So as you can see on my screen over here, if I move my camera a little bit on the right side, you can see over here $980 in commissions and profit, and yesterday, as you can see here, $870, and month almost $10,000. So here you can see also the conversions, right, for the current month, yesterday and today. So what is important and how you can replicate the same system and, let's say, fundamentals of affiliate marketing, promoting one offer in one evergreen niche. Now, what is evergreen niche? Evergreen niches are like health, weight loss, Nutra, right? Weight loss pills, shakes, protein stuff, and just generic, right? Weight loss stuff. So why weight loss? Because if we look on, for example, US, Canada, Australia, right? Especially US only, we have females over 35 to 65 years old, right? Who are fat, let's say overweight, dealing with diabetes and stuff like that, and you can help them by offering these weight loss supplements, right? Or let's say digital products, right? Where you can help people with keto diet, weight loss, whatever, skincare, right? So we have different offers that you can promote as an affiliate and earn huge commissions. And you don't have to deal with any refunds, you don't have to deal with any customer support whatsoever. You can basically just pick the offer, choose the offer, and then promote it as an affiliate. So you may be wondering, okay, great, but how you can do it, how I can do it, watching this video right now, right? Watching me, listening to my voice, how you can do it yourself, right? If you have never tried before, or if you have failed, lost money, wasted time with different offers. So let me share it with you this, right? On my YouTube channel, you can see lots of different testimonials and case studies, but what it's really important is you watching this video, right? If you don't have determination, if you don't have the desire to do something differently, to get the results, to succeed online, then you won't, you will fail. So if you want to have results, then I suggest you firmly and strongly to stay until this video, stay until the end of this video. Why? Because I'm going to show you what you can do to have results, to have this kind of results. As a newbie, right? If you want to have your $1,000 a week, $2,000 a week, right? It's really doable. It's possible, right? It's not over the top. It's not, we don't talk about millions of dollars here. We are talking about $1,000, $2,000 per week as an affiliate, right? Promoting different products every single day, 24/7, like a clockwork, right? The people, let's say the products that people are already buying, like water, coffee, right? Skincare, weight loss pills, normal things, right? So as you're watching this video right now, if you want to have done for you affiliate campaigns with done for you and done with you support, then let me know. Below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts, and also what you can do, as you can see over here, right? You can reach me on my Instagram as well, or Facebook, right? So let me show you my Instagram account over here. You can see this is my Instagram account, and what you can do is you can reach out to me on my Instagram account. You can scroll through so you can see, you can just reach me out. So just click the links below this video and you can reach out to me and also ask me any questions you have about affiliate marketing, right? How to structure ad campaigns and how to get going. So if you're really serious, and I don't like time wasters here, right? If you're really serious and you have some money to invest in done for you campaign, coaching, mentorship, right? Whatever. And if you want to have results one-on-one personally working with me, then do let me know, right? Do let me know, and please below this video are links, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.